Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it's May 3rd, 2026. Today's video, a couple of things we did today. Went out to the honey hut and, well, first I ended up making some divisions in some of the grasses that I've been digging up around here, dividing them so that they don't get, they don't rot out in the center of the grasses. These are tall ornamental grasses. So I dug one up yesterday, divided it into a bunch of small units, and I'll get those into the ground before too long. But one of the things I wanted to do besides that was go out and take a look at the honey hut and see how the bees are doing. So the bees are doing pretty well. One of the hives has really depopulated quite a bit. I'll have to investigate that and see what's actually happening. And there might have gotten mice in there during the winter months, and I haven't had a chance to take things apart yet, but we'll see when I get the opportunity to really see what's going on. But lots of activity going on in the beehives, so real happy with that. And lots of leaves leafing out. The trees are leafing out. Lots of flowers developing as well, so pretty happy with all that. Then the next thing I did was I went out and used Elon, the excavator, to turn the leaf mold compost pile. A lot of compost in there this season. So we turned that today as well. And of course there'll be some original songs that accompany the video. And I guess that's about it. Just trying to get things caught up around here. A lot going on behind the scenes. We're trying to take care of, well, we're balancing quite a few things going on at the same time. So we're doing the best we can. So some of these videos might not be as great as our not so great videos anyways. All right, folks, I hope you have a wonderful day. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Stay safe, take care, and we'll catch you on the next one. Bye-bye now.
There's life all around us, just open your eyes. In the gardens, in the fields, beneath the endless skies, I see the birds and bees dancing in the sun, their tiny lives a part of the whole, all in one. Look into the trees, there's a world to explore. Chipmunks, squirrels, and birds galore. Hear the woodpeckers beat and the songs they sing. Life all around us in the smallest of things. In the forest, deer munching, fawns by their side, nurtured in the wild with no place to hide. Tracks in the moonlight, who was here last night, a story in the footprints, nature's silent sight. Look into the trees, there's a world to explore. Chipmunks, squirrels, and birds galore. Hear the woodpeckers beat and the songs they sing. Life all around us in the smallest of things. Close your eyes, take a breath, feel the earth's embrace. There's a rhythm, a pulse in every living space. In the rustle of the leaves, in the whispering breeze, in the symphony of nature carried by the trees. So let's cherish this wonder, the life that we share. In the gardens and the forests, it's everywhere. With open hearts and eyes, we'll see it anew. Life all around us in every shade and hue. Look into the trees, there's a world to explore. Chipmunks, squirrels, and birds galore. Hear the woodpeckers beat and the songs they sing. Life all around us in the smallest of things. There's life all around us, just open your eyes. In the gardens, in the fields, beneath the endless skies. In the footsteps of the night, in the morning's gentle rise. Life all around us, a gift to realize.
Nothing in this one. I gotta do some cleanup. Not much activity going on in this one.
Down by the edge where the wild things grow, past the berries and the rose we sow,
sits that little hut in the morning light,
buzzing low like a lullaby tight,
glass on the back,
we ease in slow,
watching that world most folks don't know.
no rush, no noise, just wings and time, working a rhythm older than rhyme. In the honey hut where the war hives hum, a little worker singing where the sweet comes from.
We don't take more than the good Lord gives,
just tend the land
and the life that lives.
From the bloom to the comb, every drop, every seed, it all comes back to the honeybee. Cold wind blowing, barely 45, still there's life in every hive.
Not a storm, not a chill can slow them down.
When the forest starts wearing that springtime crown, pollen on their legs, gold and green,
Flying through a world we're learning to see.
cameras rolling, but we stand still. Let them teach us their quiet will. In the honey hut where the war hives hum,
Little workers singing
where the sweet comes from.
We don't take more than the good Lord gives,
Just tend the land
and the life that lives.
from the bloom to the comb,
Every drop, every seed,
it all comes back
to the honeybee.
They don't ask much,
Just space and care,
clean wild flowers and honest air,
and in return they heal the land.
more than we'll ever understand. life in the soil,
all tied together
by their toil. So we walk that line between take and give,
learning what it means to live.
not above but right within,
Every loss and every win,
hands in the dirt, hearts in tune, thankful for the work they do. In the honey hut
where the war hives hum,
little workers singing,
where the sweet comes from. We don't take more than the good Lord gives,
just till the land
and the life that lives.
from the bloom to the comb,
Every drop, every seed,
it all comes back
yeah, it all comes back
to the honeybee,
just a hum in the wood,
and a soft gold light,
living low,
keeping things right. Woke up this morning with a list a mile long. Cross one thing off, two more go wrong. Phone keeps ringing, letters pile high. Feels like every road just passes me by. Lord, it's one of those days where the whole world pushes back. Paperwork's a fighting man, and everything's off track. Taxes trouble Uncle Sam too. Tell me, baby, what's a worn down man to do? It's one of those days. Last month a suit came knocking at my door. Said, son, you owe us. Then he asked for more. Now the state's calling, saying they want in, while somebody's got their hands on my own kin. Lord, it's one of those days where the whole world pushes back. Paperwork's a fighting man, and everything's off track. Taxes trouble Uncle Sam too. Tell me, baby, what's a worn down man to do? Yeah, it's one of those days. Got trees need planting, got rows to tend, but I can't find the time, can't find my end. Shops have fallen out behind the barn, and them Amish boys ain't showed where they gone. Lord, it's one of those days where the whole world pushes back. Paperwork's a fighting man, and everything's off track. Taxes trouble Uncle Sam too. Tell me, baby, what's a worn down man to do? Yeah, it's one of those days, but I can see a road stretching out ahead where the fields grow green and the good word said. Garden's gonna bloom and shop will rise again, and them hammers will ring like an old time hymn. Yeah, it's one of those days, but we'll ride it on through. Got your hand in mine, and the sky turned blue. All that trouble don't stand a chance or two. Ain't nothing gonna break me, and you, just one of those days. Yeah, just one of those days. Still wondering where them Amish boys stayed.
Young, I learned from Dad, calloused hands and a hard ironclad. We worked the land side by side. He taught me truth and honest pride. Said, son, success ain't handed down, it's earned in sweat, not some free crown. So I rolled up sleeves, took every chance, worked for scraps, learned to dance. That was the dream, the American way. You give your best, come what may. Take your risks, fall and rise again. Pay your dues like real women and men. But now I see a shifting scene, folks chasing handouts, not a dream. They want the prize, but skip the fight. What happened to earning your right? I chose my mentors, swept their floors, volunteered, knocked on closed doors, built it slow with blood and time. Never stole a nickel, never crossed the line. Sacrificed when times were lean, still held tight to what freedom means. Now they mock the climb I made, like luck, not labor, paved the way. That was the dream, the American way. You build it strong, not just halfway. Raise your kids to work, to stand, to make something with their own hands. But now they want to tear it down, tax the farmer, rob the town. Give it all to those who own. What happened to the land? Don't quit and don't moan. I'm not heartless, I've helped out, but we can't thrive on fear and doubt. Freedom's not a safety net, it's a ladder climb or live with regret. So here I stand, with pride and pain, in the home I built through snow and rain. Still holding on to what is true, to God, to grit, to red, white, blue. That was the dream, the American way. To build a life, not throw it away. Earn your place, walk the talk, not take the easy sidewalk walk. But now it feels like truth's a crime, hard work's a relic, lost in time. Still I'll believe, still I'll defend the dream we lived right to the end. So I whisper to the wind and sky, we worked for this, we don't just get by. And I pray the dream will rise once more, like my father's calloused hand at the barnyard door.